My name is Caroline Kaufman. Right now, as you're all sitting here and I'm speaking to you, our earth is being polluted constantly, every single day, every minute of every hour. And our earth, our environment is worsening as it goes on and as we do this. And I am someone that greatly cares for the environment, and I love this earth, and I've done extensive research on this. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about what you can do to become more environmentally friendly, about these solutions that you can do for these problems. There's a New York Times article called Report Finds Americans Wasteful of Food, and it says that 40% of food that Americans have available to them goes uneaten. This is amazing. And also it says that there $165.6 billion in food is wasted per year by consumers and by retailers. And that means that it's about $390 per person. So you're all, each of you, $390 wasted completely. And according to EPA, in 2012, Americans generated about 251 million tons of trash. And according to Craig Frudenrich's article, How Landfills Work, this is almost twice as much trash per person as most other countries. And only 34% of this trash can actually be recycled. And then also in the peer-reviewed journal by Philip H. Patterson on municipal waste, the United States actually generates on average more than 400,000 tons of municipal waste a day. And so that means per day we only produce about 4.5 pounds of waste, and only about 1.5 can be recycled and put back into our environment. And so landfills are bad. And so toxins are leached out into the environment, and they can affect soil, they can affect water, and it's just very, very bad. An example of this is mercury. Mercury in big quantities can actually be extremely dangerous to people and can become deadly. Leachate, it's a liquid, it's found in landfills, and as stuff deteriorates, it can become toxic, and water is in it, and it's really, really bad for the land and for the groundwater, and also greenhouse gases. Methane is terrible. It also, like, as it's being released, it makes an entire landfill very flammable. Recycling. According to EPA, about 86.6 million tons of materials are being disposed. Recycling and composting prevented 86.6 million tons of material from being disposed in 2012. And so that actually prevented 168 million metric tons of carbon dioxide from being put into the environment again. And so this is also from the EPA website, and it shows from the 251 million tons of waste what each of it is. And so the most that we pretty much use is paper products. Packaging, something that we can do. Use less packaging. It's one little thing, but it makes a huge difference. Packaging makes up a whole third of landfills. And a lot of it's made of plastics, it's not biodegradable. And so it just sits there and it doesn't really do anything but become more toxic. And so if we can support environmentally friendly packaging and products, that can really help reduce the amount that's put into landfills, and we can recycle and put that back into our environment, into use. And so if we purchase these products, we can make a big difference. And so we can see if we can do this, like less trash being put into our landfills, back into our environment, and a cleaner, healthier planet for all of us to live in. So I'm challenging you to write down every single day for 5 days what you throw away, whether you recycle it or you just throw it away in the trash. I took the liberty to print these out for 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and throw away and recycle. All you pretty much do, for example, potato chip bag. What do you do with it? You throw it away. It's usually made of plastic. And so you just write down 1 potato chip bag under throwaway for day 1. And that's all you do, and I challenge you to do this for 5 days. And please remember that we only have one planet to live on. We can't just move to another planet. And so we might as well start now by taking care of our environment, by taking one step at a time.